Everybody says you have to ditch cathedral ports to make big power. I'm here to tell you the M115 is here to prove that completely wrong. The 6-bolt M115 is one of our newest products introduced into the Monster Series line. The M115 is a fully ported 5-axis CNC machine cylinder head with 64cc combustion chambers offered in a 225 or 240cc intake runner, giving you multiple options depending on how aggressive your combination is. The minimum bore on this cylinder head is 3780, making it a true small bore cylinder head. Throw it on your 5.3s, your 5.7s, your 6.0s, whatever it may be. The M115 was designed with one purpose in mind: maximize airflow without reducing port velocity that cathedral ports are known for. The cylinder head is offered with 2 different springs. You can either get it with 660 springs, or there's a slide up charge for 700s. As well as things like 1/2-inch head studs. You can also choose the valve material that this cylinder head comes with, whether that be stainless, Inconel. We also allow the upgrade of 1/2-inch head studs to improve clamping force. You know, it's great to talk about all these specs, but something that truly stands out is we put these heads to the test. Boostline Performance took the 240cc cylinder heads, installed them onto a 5.3, and on 21 pounds of boost made 1150 horsepower. Now, of course, the supercharger is making up for a lot of that horsepower, but what you tend to see with a good flowing and great designed cylinder head is efficiency under boost. If you're building a serious small bore LS, the M115 is a perfect option. Now, for more information on this product, or to check out any of our other great products, head over to frankensteined.net or give our sales team a shout at sales@frankensteined.net. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.